South of the Haight. Thick fog. Dead quiet. Then, her. A schooner. Black timbers. No lights. No crew. Rigging like cobwebs. Hailed her. Silence. Cold deeper than the water. Closed in, planks warped. Seams gaping. Smell. Rot and sickly sweet. Bang, hatch flies open below. Just, black. Then, whispers. Not wind. Voices. Crying, begging. Clear in that silence. Felt it in your bones. First mate went white. Ain't right, skip. Full reverse. Engine screamed. Pulling back, hatch slammed shut. Whispering stopped. Fog swallowed her. Gone. 30 years, that sound. Those voices, no ship should float like that. None. Some nights. I still hear M.